Why natural latex mattresses are so expensive? Hey there, savvy sleepers! Ever wondered why those so comfortable natural latex mattresses come with a hefty price tag? Well, get ready to unravel the mystery as we dive into the world of bedding luxury and discover the surprising reasons behind the expense. Natural latex mattresses are a variant of bedding composed of latex obtained from the sap of rubber trees, presenting a viable and environmentally conscious substitute for conventional mattresses. These products are well recognized for their exceptional durability, comfort, hypoallergenic attributes, and their capacity to offer superior body support during periods of rest. The relatively high cost of natural latex mattresses can be attributed to several factors. Number 1. Material quality. Natural latex is sourced from rubber trees and processed using eco-friendly methods, making it more expensive to produce compared to synthetic materials. Number 2. Labor-intensive manufacturing. The production of natural latex mattresses involves intricate and labor-intensive processes, including collecting latex sap, processing it, and forming it into mattress layers. Number 3. Durability and longevity. Natural latex mattresses are known for their exceptional durability, often outlasting traditional mattresses for several years. This longevity justifies a higher upfront cost. Number 4. Sustainable sourcing. The use of sustainable and environmentally friendly practices for latex harvesting adds to the cost, as it supports responsible and ethical sourcing. Number 5. Health and allergen benefits. Natural latex is naturally hypoallergenic and resistant to dust mites and mold, making these mattresses a popular choice for those with allergies. The added health benefits contribute to the higher prices. Number 6. Certifications. Many high-quality natural latex mattresses undergo third-party certifications, ensuring they meet stringent standards for quality, sustainability, and safety. These certifications come with additional costs. Number 7. Limited availability. Natural latex is not as readily available as synthetic materials, which can impact supply and demand dynamics and influence pricing. Natural latex mattresses are one of the most expensive mattresses on the market, costing over $1,500 and can exceed $2,000. What is natural latex? Natural latex is a biologically sourced material obtained from the exudate of rubber plants, scientifically known as Hevea Brasiliensis. The substance in question is a lactescent fluid obtained from the aforementioned trees, possessing many economic uses such as the manufacturing of latex mattresses, rubber goods, adhesives, and other related applications. The process of harvesting natural latex from rubber trees involves the following steps. Number 1. Tapping the trees. A diagonal cut is made into the bark of the rubber tree, typically in a spiral pattern around the trunk. This cut allows the latex sap to flow out of the tree and into a collection cup attached to the tree. Number 2. Latex collection. The latex sap, which is a milky white fluid, slowly drips into the collection cup. It's important not to overlap the tree, as this can harm its health and productivity. Number 3. Coagulation. Once collected, the liquid latex undergoes a process called coagulation. This involves adding agents like acid or enzymes to the sap to promote the formation of solid latex. Number 4. Molding and processing. The coagulated latex is then processed further to remove excess water and impurities. It is often molded into sheets or blocks, which can be used in various manufacturing processes. Number 5. Vulcanization. Vulcanization is a chemical process that involves the cross-linking of polymer chains, often rubber, with the addition of sulfur in certain instances. The processed latex undergoes vulcanization, a thermal treatment including the addition of sulfur to enhance its elasticity, durability, and several other characteristics. Number 6. Manufacturing. The field of manufacturing involves the production of goods through various processes and techniques. Processed natural latex is utilized in the manufacturing of a diverse range of items, such as mattresses. In the realm of mattresses, latex is frequently employed as a stratified material, amalgamated with other substances, and shaped to provide the intended attributes of comfort and support. The utilization of natural latex in the production of different goods, such as mattresses, is considered an environmentally sustainable option due to its origin from a renewable and biodegradable source. Benefits of natural latex mattresses. Natural latex mattresses are widely favored by individuals that are of superior quality, provide optimal comfort, and are environmentally friendly. Several notable advantages encompass: number 1, comfort and support. Natural latex mattresses provide excellent comfort and support for sleepers. The material conforms to the body's contours, offering a balanced combination of softness and support, which can help alleviate pressure points and promote more restful sleep. Number 2, durability and longevity. The factors of durability and longevity are of utmost importance. Natural latex has remarkable durability and resilience, frequently surpassing the longevity of conventional mattresses crafted from synthetic substances. A well-maintained natural latex mattress has the ability to offer a comfortable sleeping experience over an extended period of time, therefore rendering it a financially prudent choice for long-term use. Number 3, hypoallergenic properties. One aspect to consider is the hypoallergenic properties of a product. Natural latex possesses inherent hypoallergenic properties and exhibits resistance to many allergens such as dust mites, mold, and other similar substances. Natural latex mattresses are considered to be an optimal selection for persons who have allergies or respiratory sensitivities. Number 4, breathability and temperature regulation. Latex has an open cell structure that allows for better airflow and heat dissipation compared to some other mattress materials. This feature helps regulate body temperature and prevents overheating during sleep. Number 5, motion isolation. Natural latex mattresses have good motion isolation properties, meaning movement on one side of the bed is less likely to disturb a partner on the other side. This can lead to a more undisturbed and peaceful sleep for couples. Number 6, eco-friendly and sustainable. The harvesting of natural latex is a sustainable process that involves tapping rubber trees, which can be done without harming the trees. As a renewable and biodegradable material, natural latex is a more environmentally friendly choice compared to mattresses made from synthetic leather. Number 7, chemical-free or low chemical content. High-quality natural latex mattresses are often made without the use of harmful chemicals or synthetic additives, reducing exposure to potentially toxic substances. Number 8, reduced off-gassing. Natural latex mattresses typically have minimal off-gassing, which is the release of volatile organic compounds or VOCs that can produce odors and potentially affect indoor air quality. Number 9, customizable firmness. Natural latex mattresses come in various firmness options, allowing individuals to choose a mattress that suits their preferred level of comfort and support. Number 10, pressure relief. The natural elasticity of latex helps distribute body weight evenly, reducing pressure on sensitive areas like hips, shoulders, and knees. It's recommended to try out different mattresses and consult with experts to find the one that best meets your specific needs for a comfortable and rejuvenating sleep experience. So, there you have it, the captivating tale of why natural latex mattresses carry a weighty price tag. From the rubber tree's humble beginnings to the skilled hands that craft the ultimate sleep sanctuary, every step in this journey contributes to the mattress's luxury and in turn its cost. Next time you lie down on a natural latex mattress, you'll know you're sleeping on a combination of nature's richness and human creativity in a cozy cocoon of comfort. Good night, dreams. Sleep tight. But if the bedbugs attack, you're on a royal mattress. Stay interested, cozy, and tune in for more bedtime stories. Till next time.